Hi there everyone, thank you for joining me again. In this video I'm just going to show you real time how I roll the paper off of my art, my picture art that I've transferred onto my rock. So basically all I've done is I've adhered this picture onto my rock base, or the surface of my rock, and I've used different products to do that. Please refer to the videos in this series that show you how I get to this point. I'm not going to go into those other issues right now, or those processes right now. I'm just going to show you the rolling off of the paper. Alright, so all you do is you gently take your finger and you just roll off the paper gently. Can't push too hard or you're going to take some of the ink off. But as you can see, it comes off in little layers, and it just brightens up the image so that you get a clearer image to then add color to. So see how it comes off just little bits at a time. Very, very lightly. And you have to do this step many times to get a great transfer like this. But this is basically a great way to make an image transfer onto a rock and then decorate it from there. I'm going to add some flowers to the outside of my rock. And I'm going to put them here and here. And then after that I'm going to color it in, and I'm going to use my paint pens to do that. And I'm going to seal it up, and I'm going to have a beautiful rock. So that's it for this video. Very quickly, just wanted to ask you if you could please like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video down below by giving it a thumbs up if you don't mind. And hit the notification bell if you'd like to get notified when I upload more videos. I try to upload every week with a new craft video. I do a lot of rock painting, I do different crafts, very into learning different methods of image transfer. So tune in and join us again, and thank you for being here. Take care.